Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I will be looking at the Design Comp CM42 All Acrylic Computer Case Kit. First I'll have a look at the box itself. As you can see here, it's very small, which is always a good thing. It's small because you have to put it all together. Let me unpack this and see what is included. I'll go through exactly what all this is about, but as you can see here, it's actually packaged in styrofoam. There's styrofoam on either side and then it's slipped into that box, so it's all shipped very well. What is included in this package are the side panels, the front, the back, the top, the bottom. You also have an aluminum back plate, as well as the I/O shield plate. You have little feet here, you have bay fillers, you also have this power on and reset button. This goes installed in front of the case and follows back to the motherboard. Also included nylon gloves, good for not scratching the case. You also have all kinds of different standoffs and screws, as well as a speaker included. And let's not forget a very detailed instruction manual, which makes it extremely simple to set all this up and really get the case together in no time at all. And that is pretty much it for the outside of the case. Now, you have a few other things here that you want to include, such as the floppy standoffs for floppy drives, or zip drives, whatever you want to put in there, as well as the other 5¼ inch standoffs for your CD-ROMs and things like that. And also you've got this power and reset button. You've got to install that in the front. And there's some extra screws included for things like fans. You have a port here for a fan. Right here, you've got 2 on the side, and you've got 1 on the front. So certainly with this case, you're going to get lots and lots of ventilation. Putting this together was extremely simple. And once it is together, you will appreciate how well it does actually all fit together. All of this is very precise, and all of the edges are very clean, and again, everything goes together perfectly. Also, in the front of the case, we have the 4 5¼ inch bays, as well as 2 3½ inch bays. Now, how drives and different things get installed here in the front are by using these standoffs. The drives go in here, then this gets mounted to the panel itself. Now, the motherboard works in a similar way, actually, because what you do is you mount the motherboard to these, and these are actually already pre-installed on the side panel here. Let me now just throw in a motherboard, and you can see what it's like when it actually is installed. So just lay the case on its side and go ahead and start to install the motherboard. Now, when you do this, you want to first of all check the I/O shield plate, and this is what I'm referring to here in the back. They have included one, but if your motherboard doesn't fit this, well, usually most motherboards come with these shield plates, so that's not a concern really. For instance, I'm using the 8-bit IT7 board here, and they have included a shield plate, so you can just pop that shield plate in first and then install the board. With the motherboard installed, you can get some idea what it looks like when components are actually installed inside of a clear case. It looks very cool. Something I recommend to preserve the outside see-through look of the case are clear fans. This case takes all 80mm fans, and again, the holes for the fans, there's 2 on the side, 1 at the top, 1 at the back, and 1 at the front. Overall, this is an excellent case, very easy to assemble. It only takes you between 1 to 2 hours to assemble the case, and once it is put together, it looks simply amazing. Now, something else, this case does come in different colors. You can check their website to see what available colors you can get with this particular case. But overall, the quality on this case is incredible. All the fan holes, all the edges, everything fits together very, very well. No questions about it. This is a kick-ass product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds, and this has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also, be sure to pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com. And also, you can go in there and register. Registration is completely free. You can go in there and leave your own suggestions and comments, as well as finding out all kinds of other information about all of the other products that I video review. Until the next time, take care.